In this video again we are going to learn how to adjust the row height and the column width in Excel. We are going to follow these procedures without wasting time, I'll go ahead and open Excel software and then I can show you how that one is done. So I'm going to be using this worksheet, and now when you see in this worksheet you can see I have the columns, I have the rows. But sometimes the reason why we adjust the height and the width of this is because sometimes you write the contents and can't fit there. Like you have maybe the name or any other string of characters that you write in this cell and they cannot fit, and then you have to adjust so that you increase the height and increase the width of this. So what we are going to do, we are going to first adjust and change the width of this column. That's column A or column B. We can use column B. So to do that, click on select column B. After that, right click on it. In the list of options, you will see what we call column width. Click on the column width and then you see a small dialog window that will pop up on the screen, and then you see the size of the width. So now here you can change by increasing the number of the width. The other one was 8.1, so maybe here we can put 14.1, and when you press OK, now you can see the size of this width has been increased. The other way we can do this is by checking the selecting this line that divides column B and column C. After that, click on it and hold, and then from there you see the width and then word width on top, and then you see the width in centimeter and the number of pixels. So you can now adjust by either moving inward or outward to adjust to which size you want. That is the best way, and those are the two ways we can really adjust the width of any column. What about the height of the row? Do the same. Select the column, the row you want to adjust. Right click on it, then you see one of the options in the list of options. In the drop down menu, you see one of the options is low height. So click on low height, and then you see a small dialog window that will pop up on the screen, and now the size is 13.8. Adjust that and say maybe you want to make it 19.8. When you press enter, now you can see the height of this row has been increased. If I want to use the other method, is check for the line that divide one of these rows, like row 3 and row 4. There's that line which divide them. What you do, select or click on top of that line, then you see the word height, and then the height in centimeter and pixel. Then adjust inward and outward the selection, and then you choose. Now as you adjust, you'll see the height in centimeters and pixels will be showing automatic, and then you can adjust and see which one you want. So generally that's how you can do it. In the next video we shall learn how to apply other techniques in our work as we use Microsoft Excel. Thank you.